Hey everybody, Grant here from Delta Civil, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a surface from Polylines in Civil3D. I'm currently using Civil3D 2024, so if you're using 2018 and up, it will probably work the same way. So in this file, this example file, I currently have lines which have an elevation associated to each line. This is a LiDAR file, so whenever you do get a LiDAR file, this is how it would come in if I select them. There's a lot of points and a lot of lines, so it may lag your machine, but what we're going to do with this is we're actually going to create a surface from these lines. If I select one of these lines here and go to my properties palette, I can see that the elevation is 526. And each of these lines have an actual elevation associated with them. So it makes things really easy. If you don't have elevation associated with your polylines, you may not be able to make an accurate surface. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open our tool space. We can do that by going to Home, Tool Space, and that'll open the Tool Space palette, Prospector tab, and then we'll just select the Surfaces tab, right click, and then hit Create Surface. In here we can actually name our surface, so we'll just call this Existing. We can give it a description if we'd like, and we can also add a style. I'm currently using AutoCAD Civil3D out of the box, so all of these styles should come with AutoCAD by default. There's no fancy styles in here or anything, so this is what yours should look like. So I'll just run with the default style. And then I'll hit OK. So now we've created a surface. If you hit the plus icon in your tool space, you'll see that now we have the existing surface in here. If we hit the plus one more time, we can see more options, and we can actually give it a definition. So if we hit the plus icon, we can see that we have a contours option. So what we're going to do here is we're actually just going to select all of our contours, and then we're just going to right click on contours and then hit add. It's going to ask for a description. You don't need to fill out one if you don't want to. And then you just hit OK. And that will actually create your surface. So move that over here. And now we can come in, and the polylines that we had already in there, they didn't get deleted. It just took those polylines and created a surface out of them. So if we select our surface, our 10 surface now, we can actually do Object Viewer and actually look at this surface in 3D. So I'll change this to Conceptual. And you can actually see the surface here, some of the texturing in that surface. There's a berm here, a pond, and you can kind of see how that surface is being built out. So yeah, pretty simple. If you're looking to create a surface in Civil3D, that's how you do it with polylines. So thank you.